Hi, my name is Sydney Hamelin, and I am a Journeyperson Cook, and I'm currently working for Taste Restaurant Group. Today we're at Cohen's restaurant here in Saskatoon, Idlewild and 20th. Here at the Taste Group, I am a supervisor and line cook. Usually I come here in the mornings and get the restaurant ready to go, get the line stocked, and make sure we have enough of everything and all the equipment's turned on, and just get it ready for the day. And after setting up the restaurant, I start cooking, and that's what we're here for, is making meals and bringing people together and feeding the public. How I got into this industry was, it actually started in high school. I really enjoyed home ec classes, and I took all the commercial cooking classes I could, and I wanted more. And my home ec teacher introduced me to Skills Canada, which is a cooking competition. It's actually all the trades, really. Each one has their corresponding competition, but I did baking for my first year, and I received a provincial gold medal. And I will never forget that feeling, so I just wanted to continue that. And after grade 12, I was accepted into Sask Polytech's Culinary Arts 2-year diploma program. This also started in high school with the SIEC program. I was able to get into the Culinary Arts boot camp in grade 10, and I loved it, being around people who also had the same interests as me and actually took cooking seriously, rather than in high school a lot of home ec kids just do it for an easy mark. Being with like-minded people was amazing, and I continued to participate in the boot camp for the rest of my high school years. And then once I graduated, I actually went on to teaching the same boot camp that I went to in high school, which was amazing. And I have been teaching the culinary boot camp for 5 years now. Over the years, there's been one student that really sticks out. When we first started, she was very shy and kind of kept to herself, but you could tell that she knew what she was doing, and she really enjoyed cooking. And she was with us for 2 years in our program, and by the end of it, she was very outgoing, and she wasn't afraid to just be herself and really use her imagination when making dishes. Because every class we have kind of a little mini competition on plating and taste, and you could tell from when she started to when she finished with us that she was more willing to try things that she hasn't before. And she actually did go on and took the course at Sask Poly, and now she's still cooking, and it's amazing to be able to follow her on social media and just see how far she's come from the first day that she was with us. I've always enjoyed the professional and competitive side of this career, and over the years I have competed in many competitions, which includes 3 years of Skills Canada, receiving 3 provincial gold medals. I also participated in Skills in 2019 and was a World Skills prospect. And in the summer of 2019, I participated in Taste of Saskatchewan, and I won the Top Chef Saskatchewan. After that, I competed in the Culinary Olympics in 2020, and our team came home with 2 gold medals, one for our 3-course and one for our buffet. And in the fall of 2020, I received my Red Seal certification, so I am officially a Red Seal Journeyperson Cook. The SIEC program definitely opened a lot of doors for me. In my first year of attending the culinary boot camp, I was introduced to a few of the instructors that teach at Sask Poly, So it definitely gave me some insight to what goes on there and if I would be interested in pursuing this as a career. And I did, so I was able to make a lot of connections that way, and it's really shaped my career as a whole and where I am today. In the future, I definitely want to continue cooking for as long as I can. I do eventually want to go on to teaching and share my knowledge and experiences with students to be. It definitely helps a lot that I'm able to get a taste of that and teach at the SIEC Culinary Boot Camp. And it's just amazing to see how all these younger students are eager to learn and definitely share the same enjoyment of cooking as I do.